Okay, mic works. Don't have a cam on. Today is gonna be a straight preparation, but not today. Right now, it's straight preparation. Yeah, where can I put my mic? It's kind of like in a way. Can I put it like this? Yeah, hell yeah. Okay, maybe not. Why the fuck? Man, I'm getting airtight. Okay, let's see what's happening today. This was yesterday, kind of choppy, and that's going to lie. Did take a W. I think I'm going to show the can. Why the fuck did I take a W? Why did I what did it do? Why the fuck is it? Where is it, bro? Is everything like fucked up or something? I took like a trade over here. Look out this one. What's done? It wasn't here. Yes. I don't know what the fuck this is though. Delete it. Makes it a little bit better to see. Okay. As you can see, I sold over here because of the break of structure over here. Now up, broke the structure over here. Um, no, oh no, no, this structure over here. Broke the structure, but almost hit immediately my stop loss. Then went down again, like in nice profit. Then went up again, then went down again, quite a bit. Took one of my take profits, and like immediately set my to break even. It's a nice 1.24. Yeah, it was some like yes, 1.15 risk to reward. Uh, and then went down, went up, straight into break even. Went down again, went up, down, down, up. Like straight. It's just not a good day to trade. I'm not going to lie. Better tick and did make a W. That's kind of big. Let's remove a lot of. Let's go to the 4 hour. Maybe we do use it. I don't know. I don't think we do use it. Oh, maybe we do. Maybe we do. I did the equilibrium with down. What does this look like? Wow. This one is way more down. Okay. So let's delete it so it looks a little bit more cleaner. We can delete this one. Did I hit this one? Almost, almost. Um, damn. Equilibrium. Let's remove all of these take profits just to make it a little bit more clear. Let's remove these times. Everything is a little bit more, you know, logic to see. Let's go to the 30 minutes. We can remove these ones. I don't know if we hit. No, we did not. No, we did not. Yeah, let's remove these ones too then. Don't really need them. This one can stay. Um, it's on 30 minutes. Yes, it's on the 30 M's. Let me see. This is yesterday, today. Oh, oh, that's nice. Let's see. Yes, this is good. Equal highs over there. Nice to keep in mind. Equal highs on Nasdaq, no, Nasdaq SP 500. Nasdaq does not have equal highs like over here. Now it's not really equal highs. So it's two candles are equal. Um, well, we don't have to mark out the high of this one because I already like taken out. We don't really have to mark out this high because it's probably getting taken out like 5 minutes or something. But just to be sure, it doesn't take out because it's kind of rounding around. Oh. Yeah, so we kind of like marked everything out. It's kind of like, okay, it's the equilibrium, we're down again, equilibrium, we're down again. Slowly creeping towards the equilibrium. Over here is like way more down. Um, Let me see. Let's remove everything over here, man. It's so eyesore. Probably, I don't think I have to do this like today, but it's nothing. It's gonna reach today. These ones can stay here. Let's see. I thought I saw some difference, right? Okay, let's think over here. From here, over here. Yeah. Damn it. Or not? Oh no, it's over. I don't know. I thought I saw something like that's larger, but I don't know. I don't really see anything at the moment. There must be something. Fucking no way. Did not take out this low. We take out this low. I don't even know which low that is. This one, right? From Tuesday, 6th January to Tuesday. Yeah. Yes. Hmm. This this one got hits, and you got hit on this one. Fuck. Yeah, it got hit over here too. They kind of like same page. Um, I don't know. I was like sure it's going to be like an SMT or something, but maybe in a high time frame. This one stays beneath this one. This one is above this one. Yeah, we do have like a big SMT, and that still makes me think we want to go lower. See which day was this? This was what Wednesday, 10 of December. Yes. Oh, it's 2025 then. Damn, that's it's like where the fuck is 26 for? I was like, what the fuck do you mean with 26? It was fucking the year. I was like, what? I don't know where it was already. I fucking forgot. 20 this is 11. Tuesday 11. This is still 11. Was it like around 20 or not? This was Tuesday 11 0. Which one was this? This one's 20. So I can better keep it like this and this. Yes, this looks a little bit better. So there is an ST going on, but it needs to reach like here or here. Hmm. So this S&T still tells me that it wants to go lower, but this is like S&T on a high time frame. even though it has more power than lower time frame, I'm not gonna trade down because of this SMT, you know. I can need SMT on the smaller time frame. That makes you even more secure. Which is this high though? Tuesday, 8. Which one is this? 20. Oh, we do already have like a reaction out of it, but not really the big reaction I wanted. So we have two, the SP 500 shows us two nice SMTs on the high time frame over here and on the lower time frame. And that tells me, and it even hit equilibrium. Wants to go lower, it would be really nice. This one, you know, down, and this one is going down. I don't know, equilibrium. Let me show you guys, just to make it a little bit more logic. Not even hit. Equilibrium was not even hit. Um, which one did I? Yeah, yeah, that's correct. So yeah, that shows me that it still wants to go lower. So that's why I'm bearish. Bearish? Yeah, bearish for today. Even though there was a lot of fucking news today. I think it's the 9th. Yeah. This is all the news. And I'm kind of wait for, I don't know how much this it's red map, so I think it's a lot of impact. Wait until 16, because afterwards we don't really have, like, only an FMC when we're speaking. That's only at the 1935, and I'm already done trading back then. Um, so yeah, I'm waiting till 16, so I'm waiting 30 minutes until market opens. If there's like no movement, or yes, there's no movement, no money flow, I'm not gonna trade. That's how easy it is. But if there's still money and movement, I will probably trade, even though it's like later in the day. Oh yeah, this is my trade preparation. You guys can see from here to there, from there to there. So yeah, this will be it for today. You'll probably see something. Um, oh yeah, let's talk about a new series I'm gonna start. I'm gonna pronounce this in like short, not in this one. This is not like how I pronounce it, but just saying it. Gonna just why not? Not a big of a secret. I'm gonna start a new series. I started a series, you know, making skits and those little things. Kind of done with it right now. It cost a lot of energy I needed to keep for day trading. And made like two a day. And that was like hard as hell. In the beginning, it was kind of, you know, you could do it. It was kind of, it was not the problem, but later it's like, damn, it's already this late, and I still need to make those two skits, and need to like keep 2 hours in between them, and still need to, you know, think about what type of skit I'm gonna do and how I'm gonna do it, edit it, and post it, and like different platforms. You know what I mean? And I was just not capable. It was just too much, especially, you know, for only alone. That's like a thing you can only do when you have like a team. So that was kind of impossible to for me when, you know, I'm alone. Um, so I was like, you know, I'm gonna drop it. At first, I thought, you know, I'm gonna make one, two skits uh day, like only on Monday, uh, Wednesday, and Friday. But today's Friday. I was like, I really don't like to make skits. You know, if you like make skits, uh, you need to really love it, so you people see you love it. In the beginning, I did, but now it's like I kind of like force it right now, and that shows like that you can see that into the edits and movement and like everything, and that's like it's good. So I'm start a new one, and that's called you know, strategy. So I'm just gonna make a short, probably one every day, so 5 days straight every week. And it's not that long of a video. It's just like 30, I don't know, maybe 1 minute long, or even a little bit longer, but probably like I would want to keep it like in 1 minute. How things work. So I'm first gonna start with like a candle. So I can like teach you guys everything. But if you don't know how candles work and what this means, yeah, like I can explain to you guys what the Fair gap is. But you guys won't fucking understand it because you don't understand the fucking candle. So yeah, I will explain this. Like, I know what this means. This means if the coast comes down here, or it respects it, or it's going to fall down the same path. But here was same thing. Most times it follows like as it falls, it comes up as fast as it falls. See it right here too. It goes up and it falls the same speed. So this is like a lot of you know uh, it tells you a lot. Like these highs, no reaction out of it, immediately taken out, no reaction. It was like, as you can see over here, these highs, when it was like taken out, saw a lot of like movement. It immediately went down a little bit to the Savary gap, went up because it respected the Savary gap. Like, all those things. It's like if you don't understand what the candles are and how they work, like what strong candles are, like what weak candles are, like this is strong, it's an imbalance with each other. The doji shows you that it wants to go down. That's more, it shows you like, and the wax of a candle shows you it closed here, or opened here, went all the way up here, then it went all the way down, and then it closed out like this. Doji, it closed, I don't know which color it is, but it closed, it shows you it was more people selling than buying. It went up here, then went all the way down, and went a little bit to where it opened, and then it closed again. And then it shows like it's going down again. This candle shows that when it was down into the Favre gap, there was a lot of buying power out of it. So even though the candle, like this candle all the way went there down here, afterwards it like in the 1 minute that it has to develop. I mean, it went all the way up here again. And that shows you like one candle afterwards, a little tiny one, that shows you it wants to go up. Especially when it's like in the Favre gap and the respective Favre gap. I can show that's what the Favre gap is. Damn, I'm explaining everything right now. Like this. This Favre gap, it respected the Favre gap, immediately went out, and then afterwards it probably wanted to take out somebody's stop loss and then went down and took out this high. That's like a lot of, I can, see it. It tells a lot. That's something, if you don't know, it's hard. Day trading is like 10 times harder if you don't know. 10 times harder. So yeah, that's my new, my new series. I was like, okay. So yeah, this is gonna be the end. You're probably gonna see me, by live trading. Probably gonna see a video. I'm gonna make one video. It's not like immediately about candles. I'm gonna explain what I'm gonna do in that short, so you guys know what you can expect and what you can learn from it. Yeah, this is reaction out of it. Big reaction. If it comes into this imbalance, shows us maybe wants to go back up into this equilibrium. Equilibrium means 50%. Banks can sell it for 50%. Uh, There's a possibility after equilibrium hits, it must go further down. So banks could have like sold it for 50% cheaper than if it was like over here. Okay, so yeah, down with it. And stop this video because I need to tell you guys this in those shorts, not in like one video. So yes, you will see me when I'm going to trade live.